don't need to become rich. Let's be real. Every time you open social media, you're bombarded with images of the rich and famous. Influencers showing off their designer clothes, luxury cars, and exotic vacations. It makes you wonder, what if I was rich like them? But let me ask you something. Have you ever noticed that many of these rich people aren't truly happy? Take Elon Musk, for example. One of the richest men on earth, yet his own daughter went to court to declare that she didn't want to be associated with him. Imagine having all the money in the world, but losing the people closest to you. Stay with me because in this video, we're diving deep into why Islam warns us about the dangers of loving wealth and what you should do instead to find real success and happiness. Chapter 1. The Hidden Cost of Wealth. Let's start with a harsh reality. Money can't buy happiness. In fact, many of the richest people in the world are some of the most miserable. Take Elon Musk again. His relentless pursuit of wealth and success cost him relationships with his own family. His daughter went as far as legally disowning him. Then there's Jeff Bezos, who built Amazon and became a billionaire, but faced a highly publicized divorce. And what about celebrities? Robin Williams, one of the most beloved actors, struggled with depression despite his wealth and fame. Why does this happen? Because the love of wealth can create emptiness. Now think about what Islam teaches us. Wealth is a test, not a solution to all your problems. The Quran says in Surah Al-Kahf, Ayah 46, "Wealth and children are but adornment of the worldly life, but the enduring good deeds are better to your Lord for reward and better for one's hope." Islam doesn't say money is evil, but when your life revolves around it, it begins to consume you, leaving no room for family, peace, or faith. So before you dream of becoming rich like the influencers you follow, ask yourself, at what cost? Will your wealth strengthen your relationships and faith or destroy them? Chapter 2. The Solution. Now that we know the problem, let's talk about the solution. How can we avoid falling into the trap of loving wealth while still earning enough to live a meaningful life? Here's the key. Islam teaches us to earn money with purpose and spend it with gratitude. Understand the true purpose of wealth. Wealth isn't about showing off. It's a tool to serve Allah and help others. Use your money to support your family, invest in your community, and give to charity. Avoid the love of wealth. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, warned us, "By Allah, it is not poverty I fear for you, but I fear that the world will be spread out before you as it was spread out before those who came before you, and you will compete for it as they competed for it, and it will destroy you as it destroyed them." Instead of chasing riches, focus on Barakah, blessings. Barakah comes when you earn halal income and spend it wisely. And let's not forget, wealth doesn't just test you in how you earn it, but also in how you spend it. On the Day of Judgment, Allah will ask every single one of us about our money, where we got it, and how we used it. Chapter 3. What to do instead. Building wealth the right way. So if we shouldn't chase wealth like social media influencers, what should we do instead? Here's a roadmap to building a successful and fulfilling life without falling into the trap of loving money. Step 1. Unfollow the show-offs. First, stop following people who flaunt their riches. Their flashy posts create unrealistic expectations and make you feel like you're not enough. Remember, most of what you see online is fake, rented cars, staged photos, and endless filters. Don't let it poison your mindset. Step 2. Invest in yourself. Instead of chasing money, focus on developing skills that will help you earn a halal income. Learn something valuable, coding, graphic design, public speaking, or even trade skills. The Prophet, peace be upon him, said, "The best income is what you earn with your own hands." Step 3. Start small and stay consistent. You don't need to be a billionaire to make a difference. Start with a small business, a freelancing career, or even a simple side hustle. Allah loves consistency, even if the effort is small. Step 4. Use wealth for good. When you start earning, Remember that money is a means to an end, not the end itself. Support your family, donate to charity, and invest in your community. This will bring Barakah into your life and ensure that your wealth benefits others. And most importantly, keep reminding yourself, this life is temporary. Your wealth is only valuable if it helps you in this world and the hereafter. Chapter 4, The Richest Life. Let's revisit some examples we discussed earlier. Elon Musk, one of the richest men alive, yet his family relationships are strained. His daughter legally disowned him, citing differences in values. Imagine having everything but losing the people closest to you. Jeff Bezos built Amazon and amassed billions but faced a divorce that divided his fortune. Money couldn't keep his family together. Celebrities like Michael Jackson or Anthony Bourdain, they had wealth, fame, and success, but their personal struggles led to tragic endings. These stories teach us a powerful lesson. Without barakah and balance, wealth means nothing. It's not about how much you earn, it's about how you live. Conclusion. So, here's the big takeaway. Don't become rich, at least not in the way the world defines it. True success isn't about stacking up money or flexing on social media. It's about living a life of purpose, balance, and gratitude. Remember, Islam doesn't forbid wealth. It forbids the love of wealth that corrupts your soul. Earn halal income, spend wisely, give generously, and always keep your heart attached to Allah, not money. If this video resonated with you, share it with someone who needs to hear this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content that inspires and uplifts. Together, we can build a better future, one step at a time. Inshallah.